Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share high protein dessert ideas with you. I've raided my kitchen for some of my favorite high protein ingredients and I'll give you loads of ideas through this video. And I've also written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has 25 high protein dessert recipes. So all the ones I mentioned in this video and loads more will be in the blog post down below, so be sure to click through for that. And also be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know your favorite high protein desserts and what you think of this video and other dessert inspiration you'd like me to share. So let me go through the ingredients I have today, starting with Greek style natural yogurt. Greek yogurt is quite high in protein. It's lovely and creamy. You can enjoy it just on its own. You can mix a bit of fresh fruit through it, a bit of your sweetness of choice, whether that's stevia, honey, sugar, just to make it a little bit sweeter. You can add some fruit, as I said, or some jam, mix it through, maybe some granola. It just makes a lovely, healthy, high protein dessert. And I've got cream cheese over here, soft cheese, cream cheese. You could make a lovely cheesecake that's rich in creamy cream cheese, no bake one, or a lovely baked cheesecake, a chocolate cheesecake, lemon cheesecake. There's loads of options for a cheesecake with cream cheese that you could make, so I always like to keep that to hand. And peanut butter, one of my favorite high protein ingredients. You can really just take a little square of chocolate and just spread some peanut butter over, and then you've got a lovely sweet treat that's high in protein. You could make chocolate peanut butter fudge or a peanut butter mousse. There's loads of options to incorporate peanut butter into a creamy high protein sweet treat. And ricotta, I'm calling all of these my favorite, but I've cooked so many yum desserts with ricotta, lemon mousse, chocolate mousse, my lemon ricotta cake, lemon panna cotta, which is high in protein from both ricotta as well as gelatin. Keeping a tub of ricotta in the fridge is a lovely high protein ingredient that you can use in all kinds of sweet treats. And I've got chia seeds over there. I'll often just make a lovely chocolate chia pudding that I'll keep in the fridge. I'll make it ahead, have it in the fridge, and then when I'm ready for a sweet treat, it's ready and waiting for me, and it's high in protein and all kinds of lovely nutrients. And I've got chocolate over here, which is moderately high in protein, but I kind of use it a lot in my sweet treat. I get these individually wrapped ones from Aldi and we'll spread a bit of peanut butter on, as I said, but it's kind of something that I always keep in the pantry. And I've got ground almonds over here. Ground almonds, coconut flour are great for using in waffles, in cupcakes, in all kinds of lovely baked treats. You could also get all kinds of different nuts you like and have a whole lot of nuts and make a granola. I've got a chocolate granola recipe that's just full of nuts and lovely and sweet. And I've got eggs here. I don't want to really be eating raw eggs, but you can use eggs to make a rich dessert like lemon curd, or in my magical lemon cake. There's loads of options of just incorporating eggs, but if you've got eggs, you can incorporate them into all kinds of lovely treats. But yeah, that's the video today with my favorite ingredients to make all kinds of high protein desserts. And there's that blog post down below with 25 high protein dessert recipes, so be sure to click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know your favorite high protein desserts. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.